Okay, so I'm not very good at icing a cake, but I've gone all the way around the soft little gasket on the flange with the Loctite 518. So that should, if there are any little problems or little bits that aren't quite level, it should seal up lovely. It did seal fine before. It did have red, I assume, 518 Loctite from the factory. So all I need to do now is put that into the cavity of the fuel tank and bolt up the flanges to 7 Newton meters, and then we're done. 7 Newton meters. Starting with this one, then that one, and then that one, then that one, that one, that one, that one, that one, that one, and that one. All 7 Newton meters. Starting with this one. And this one. And then them all. Job done. You can just see a bit of the 518 that's squidged out the side. I would recommend leaving this for 24 hours. Most Loctite products take 24 hours to cure properly. I'm not sure if this cures and goes hard, but it definitely goes off. So I would leave it in that position because you wouldn't want any petrol washing it away. Job done for another 25 years.